Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we are here in Hockenheimring and look at this car. This is an Aston Martin 177. As you can see, it's a pretty rare car. Here is the price tag. It costs over 2 million euros. That's a crazy thing. It only ran 2000 kilometers and it was produced in 2014. Crazy thing. There are only 77 made of these. This is so rare, I have never seen one in my entire life. This looks crazy. Look at the exhaust. This car is incredible. Look at the suspension and everything. Made out of carbon fiber everywhere. I love this car so much. It's crazy. 177. Here is the interior. This isn't how I would have spec'd mine, but it's still a crazy car. It's a front engine, as every other Aston Martin, so nothing special here. Then we have the Lamborghini Huracan, Aventador SV. Amazing looking interior with the yellow stripes, love it. And then we have a Ferrari F40, probably an LM. Yeah, it looks like an LM, so it's an LM. Look at the interior and the roll cage. It's crazy. With Momo steering wheel, it's manual. Looks so damn good. I need one in my life. Love this car so much. And then we have the carbon Kevlar. Yeah, it's carbon Kevlar ring. Looks so good. And then the carbon fiber. I don't know what this is. Look at the exhaust. Such a crazy car. I love this so much. And then we have some other cars like the Ferrari, Porsche right there, and McLarens and everything. Look at the wheels, it looks so good. And here is a Cobra. Insane intakes. This car is crazy. I would love to drive on. So cool. And then we have more McLarens right here. One of 8 McLaren 650S Nürburgring edition is driving right there. And we have 3 675 LTs, 1 coupe and 2 roadsters back there, the green one and the orange one, and then some other McLarens. And this is also Nürburgring edition, so we have 2 1 of 8 cars. Yeah, that's actually pretty crazy. So we have 2 of 8. That's insane. Here we have the 675 LT. Right here, the orange one. This looks pretty sick. And then here we go with the green one. I might have seen this one already. Oh, look at the plates. But I'm not sure. But the first 675 LT was also in this exact spec. So I believe this was the one. Look at the green details, it's crazy. I love it so much. And then there is the 1 of 8 McLaren 650S Nürburgring edition shoot. Here's another 675 LT, and there is another 650S Nürburgring edition. So here are 2. Yep. He just forgot to put it in park mode. And here is another 650S Nürburgring edition. Crazy cars. So this is the car I would go for if I'd have the money. Well, the spec is incredible, but I'd go for white and then red stripes and everything. But I'd buy this instead of the Performante. I'm a huge fan of this design and the front splitter and everything. And yeah, and the price is also, well, okay, I'd say. And the interior looks so good. Look at that. I love this, and it's a lot more comfortable than the Performante. So yeah, look at these details. It looks so damn good. Then here's an SV. This car, look at the back looks so good, and the wing and everything, and I just love these details. And then here, still the 177, still the SV and everything. Then they are just parking all the cars in here because it's raining out there. But yeah, so this was only a showroom video today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Here are all the cars again. Such crazy cars, and in winter I don't get anything to shoot, so this is all I can give you. Here's an Aventador in my black, looks so good. And then the F40 LM, take a look at it again. Incredible car, love it a lot. Here we have several other cars, like there's the 600 LT and so on. So as I mentioned before, thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Please comment down below, like this video, share and everything. So yeah, peace out.